Hi, this is Ishita Chakra and I'm currently pursuing my PGPM with a specialization in coal marketing from ICFI Business School, Gurgaon. I've completed my graduation from Calcutta University in BCom Honours Sales and Marketing. I've always been very passionate about the field of marketing, and this internship was a fantastic opportunity for me to apply my academic knowledge in the real world setting and have a practical exposure of the industry. I had the privilege of completing my summer internship with Max Pacific Corporations Limited, a well-established organization in logistics and supply chain industry. The company operates at a space which is crucial for businesses across all sectors, providing efficient services for the products to move seamlessly. My role, however, was in the domain of marketing, and I'm happy to share that I received this opportunity from the campus itself, which was a great confidence booster for me. During my time of MPCL, my daily routine was diverse and challenging as it kept me engaged and I was constantly learning. Each day, I had a different set of responsibilities which helped me to understand the different aspects of marketing strategies. My primary task involved conducting marketing research, which involved gathering information about the customer preferences, industry trends, and competitors' analysis, all of which was very important for shaping the company's marketing strategies. I was also responsible for maintaining content calendars, handling the social media accounts of the company, right from scheduling the posts, engaging with the followers, designing different marketing campaigns, and also analyzing the performance through different analytical tools, all of which was exciting and insightful as well. Apart from this, graphic designing was another important aspect of my work. I was responsible for creating different visuals for the company's brand, be it social media or internal documents, and this really provided me valuable experience as to how different elements can create or convey the message of a brand more effectively. Apart from this, I was responsible for maintaining the brand management. I gained hands-on experience through it, and I also created compelling brand strategies for my company. We used to have different review meeting sessions every week where we used to have review meetings with our senior departments, and this was really helpful as it provided me with the feedback to perform better, to have areas of improvement, and to see how different departments within a company collaborate. So apart from this, additionally, I used to create a daily diary where I used to record all the tasks which I have performed and the challenges which I have faced. And by the end of the week, I used to share that daily diary with my faculty guide for further feedback and suggestions. So this habit of maintaining a daily diary actually helped me to have a self-reflective nature and to always have a focus on continuous learning. So few of the key takeaways that I have taken from my internship is, first and foremost, it's really important to have collaborative skills. It is important to build strong and good relationships with your peers, seniors, and in fact external partners as well, because a well-organized and well-coordinated organization can ensure that you efficiently deliver the results and provide smooth functioning of the organization as well. From this, I also learned that it is often important to keep an open mind and have a zeal for learning. The business environment is constantly evolving, and every day there is something new to learn, be it around new tools, new marketing strategies, or new ways to approach a task. So a seeking spirit is what sets you apart. And for those of you who are preparing for your internships, I have a few tips based on the experience that I have gained through my internship. First and foremost, it's very important to have a strong foundation of your domain knowledge, because a well-versed domain knowledge will not just boost your confidence, but it will also help you to adapt to the challenges that you may face during your internship. Secondly, like I mentioned earlier, it's important to have good collaborative skills so that you can contribute more meaningfully in a teamwork environment and you can learn from others as well. Lastly, I would like to encourage you all to have an approach and adaptive behavior proactively, because in an internship, you cannot wait for others' things to have and come to your way. Rather, be inquisitive, take initiatives, and also never hesitate to ask for more responsibilities. This will not only show your enthusiasm for your work, but will actually help you to gain as much practical exposure as you can.